It's already started. Huh?
How much for some top?
You need some top?
Yeah.
You a cop?
No.
You sure?
Nice. It's your boy Young Sir in the building. Stop right here. Well, I'm looking dumb as fuck. My dumb ass forgot to do the intro. So y'all do it with me real quick. Whoa, whoa. Whoa! Oh, alright, let's continue, sorry. We got an actual camera today. I bought mic sets today, invested in myself. Make sure y'all invest in yourself. But some of the clips gonna be, I'm saying, the camera and the phone like right now. Because oh yeah, we might be in places we can't film or whatever, but we about to give y'all a little vlog, a little something, try something new. But yeah, gunning chair, and we're gonna go from there. It's this Target I low-key want to shoot at, but I go to this Target all the time, like religiously. And then I got the green hair, and it's like, bruh, we know it's you, my nigga. Right now, my niggas, I'm putting the camera up because we're about to go in the mall, but I'm gonna shoot some shit on my phone. Yeah, we about to go in the mall. I need orange socks to match my orange shit. Yes, sir. Stop right here. As y'all know, I always say you gotta drip down to the socks. Indeed, I went here to buy orange socks, and my dumbass already had orange socks. So low key, we just wasted. I wasted money buying socks. But you gotta stay dripping down to the socks. All right, let's get back to it. Oh, I'm trying to go stupid.
Get that money.
You about to take off for sure, Ski. She unsure. V-Lone bug out here. I'm gonna just walk backwards. Everybody see me. I'm gonna just turn this bitch around. No cap, Forever 21 kind of fell off. This shit plain as hell, my nigga. Hey, explain this.
He getting primal, he on all fours. He was born, you know.
I feel it.
You know what I mean? He trying to find the glass.
Gotta explain, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying? What's there to talk about?
Hey, my nigga, why this nigga dripped up like this? Look at the pose on my nigga. He clean. That nigga hard too, though. Hell no, this nigga stunting. That nigga dripping.
What you got?
It's half a dozen. What you talking about? Oh shit. There we go. We about to start a new trend in this bitch. About to rock these on the pants, my boy.
Don did it
This
first.
nigga just clean though. Not bad.
You guys work at JC Penney.
The real nigga work
The
that
Penny of the JC.
I talk like that.
Need some help, sir? It's crazy to think, like, I'm a legal drug dealer.
He says gay niggas only, so let's go.
Yeah, bro. I think we need between. Nah, you ain't old, bro. It's crazy because you even look like it.
I know. I feel like it was like that on purpose.
I know, right?
Niggas knew.
They knew.
He gonna blow up a little later in life.
Like,
Thanks, Dad.
Is it okay for you guys?
You said the what? I'll be in the booth. I stay in the booth. Thank you. God damn. What the fuck is that, coach?
wait, what the fuck? Oh shit, you got the camera?
I'm about to get whatever the most expensive thing on the menu is because I'm built different like that.
So,
Yeah.
you'll be seeing my man's Don and me in concert.
725?
And you know, when we do our shows, we're gonna have like discounts for certain people. Like you buy some merch ahead of time.
You gonna have OnlyFans for all y'all bitches?
You know,
All
I'm
of that
showing
type
nipples
shit.
on there.
Okay. We gonna show y'all why we in the top 1%.
Okay.
Thank you.
So yeah, they just ran out of food. You know what I
Muhammad
mean?
Ali.
My name is Muhammad Ali.
I got my water with the lemon in it because I only drink exquisite. This came straight from
Is it IMAX?
I don't know.
If it ain't IMAX, I don't want to see it.
Well, you want to see what I'm at?
Cause they say they whole thing's like experience Dune, and it's just like damn. I want to see. I don't want to just watch this. I want to experience it. I don't think this nigga watch anime.
I do watch it. Look at this. This nigga think you think I don't watch anime? I watch Dragon Ball Z, Samurai
Dragon Ball Z
Champloo.
Kai. Dragon Ball.
Listen, Dragon Ball Z, Samurai Shampoo.
Samurai Shampoo?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Shampoo.
You got a daughter now, you know what I'm saying? I know you be at home.
I be
all the
bored.
time.
I'm not about to watch kid shows. You know, like she been watching.
Coco Melon ain't gonna cut it.
It really. We be watching
You gonna watch some Big Bop.
Paid in Full.
Yeah, boy,
We watching
Big
Paid in Full. We watching Fresh. We watching all the movies. Friday. Don't try to teach you about light lessons. Not no damn colors and.
You think you a man with that gun?
But you live to fight another day. We watching a Baby's Kids. But I'm
I
sure.
forgot that movie existed,
Yes.
bro.
Yes.
I don't think I was supposed to watch that movie.
I don't think you was either.
I ain't seen that in years. I got that movie on VHS.
Damn. Damn, this nigga down old as hell. You ain't old, bro. But I feel it though.
I'm gonna have to kill myself.
He about to watch that shit tonight. VHS. You ain't old, bro. Oh, that's it. You ain't old, bro. He
I
just
would
got
have
a,
nothing to play it on.
he just got a VHS.
I'm gonna just have to spin it. I'm gonna have to take the tape out and put a light behind it and just run it.
He know how to do it because he knows.
You ain't old, bro. Nigga
This
down.
nigga was born in the same year as me.
This nigga down playing records at his house. You ain't old, bro.
Let me get a year, bro.
Bro, I'm only a couple years younger. That's crazy.
That's a lot.
Yeah, no
Bro,
cap.
I could have swore I was 21, bro. I swore.
No cap.
Alright.
Like, bro, where did 22 go? Where did 23 go? Like, what the fuck?
I'm about to be 25.
Damn. Y'all niggas.
What does that mean?
These niggas skipping timelines and quantum physics and shit.
Not like chickens, like popcorn shrimp or something. Because they
That ain't bad.
I'm not using all this shit.
I heard my
I'ma just stop. Stop right here. Long story short, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to put all that in there. I recorded like 40 fucking minutes worth of footage. But y'all get the gist. We ate and all that. Had some bro time, woe time, you feel me? But yeah. Let's get back to it. No cap, man.
Alright, man. It was good seeing
Slapped.
you. You know, we're gonna hang out.
The sweet potato fries is high key ass.
This nigga always vlogging.
This nigga Montel. It's Montel. That nigga bald. That nigga bald. These niggas the bald.
Hey, take your hair off, you boy.
These niggas got the Alonso balls.
This nigga built like a pretzel.
That got LaMelo and fucking Leangelo behind me. The Ball brothers.
That nigga look like
Get your donut ass in the car.
dirty ass mop.
Get in the car.
I'm kidding.
Some time.
It's already started. Huh?
How much for some time?
You need some top?
Yeah.
You a cop?
No.
You sure?
Don't mind the officers in the back.
The feet long. Oh shit. Oh shit. See you, man. Montel the dude. Tory Lanez.
Damn, I want to sanitize my hands before I put my finger on this donut.
Pause.
That's all I needed.
I was like, you need that? How the fuck I turn this?
I feel dirty.
Nigga gotta eat donuts for promo. That's crazy. That's funny as hell.
Niggas gotta eat donuts.
I thought your ass about to eat 6 different flavors and 6 different angles for
Fuck
the
no,
promo.
I was vomit.
You gotta just chew it and spit that shit out.
I'm not even gonna finish this.
Hell no, half a dozen my ass. Half a bite. How you flip the camera? I'm about to get mean in this bitch.
You gotta close. That bitch stuttered, nigga.
Yeah. Damn, I'm black as hell, but you know,
light in this bitch.
it's good. You know, it's your boy Gunny. Just wanted to kind of give my little close out.
Yes, sir.
It was cool hanging out with my nigga Di. You know, we're gonna start doing more vlogs and podcasts.
Realest
you know,
nigga.
Realest nigga, you know. But you know, like we just want to give y'all more content. You know, stay true to our word, and like we love and appreciate all of y'all. You know, it's Boulevard forever, man. You know? Cat Whoa forever. You know
Big whoa.
what I'm saying? Merchandise coming soon. Music coming soon. Tours coming soon.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. You know.
You about to be on top, no cap.
We about to be on top. I know y'all can't see us, but you know, a lot of niggas can't see us right now. But
A lot
our
of niggas
shine,
can't see it.
our shine is too fucking
The aura
bright.
is too bright.
It's too bright. So we gonna be up.
No capski.
But you know, we just wanted to close down and talk our shit for a minute. So,
Yes, sir. I should have had myself in this.
You really should. But fuck it. Boulevard. Gunny.
Big whoa.
Big Wolf. So you signing out.
Can't even see a dark ass nigga. Young Sarah out, my boy. Peace and love.
Peace. Fuck. Where that button at? Okay.
So fucking moist out here.